Hello everyone. Today's topic is AML, which is acute myeloid leukemia. Okay, the first thing you need to remember in this disease is that it happens in adults. Okay, तो age group इसका 15 to 45 years है, and since it's cancer, so cancer, what you expect from cancer? Like there will be, of course, because of the leukemia, and everything falls, as in hemoglobin falls, as in TLC falls. अब वो अलग बात है कि इसमें ब्लास्ट पड़ता है, वो भी ब्लास्ट सेल्स पड़ते हैं, that's different. Okay, so just basic of cancer as pallor, fatigue, and since blood wala hai, तो it's hepatosplenomegaly, it will increase the risk of infection, it will cause bleeding. Specific to AML is there will be gum hypoplasia, or in the question they will be mentioned as gum bleeding. ठीक है, and also DIC bleeding, of course. And for mentioning कि DIC है, they will give you in the MCQ कि there is increased D-dimer or increased FTP or there is abnormal coagulation profile. Okay, coming on next to FAB classification, क्योंकि ये हमको पढ़ना है, and with this we'll name it and इसके accordingly we'll do. Okay, I try to make it simplify, like if you can remember as it is, तो it's okay. नहीं तो मैंने इसमें बीच में से थोड़ा लॉजिक और ट्रिक्स डाला है, नॉट लॉजिक, ओनली ट्रिक्स. ओके, so M0 is undifferentiated, so it's nothing. M1 is without maturation. M2 से याद रखना है कि there is maturation. So with maturation is M2. M3 is हमारा pro, so remember M3 as pro. M4 हमारा है myelomonocytic, so you can remember M and 4, so it's 4, M4 myelomonocytic. M5 monocytic, there is no उसका, ठीक है. M6 का erythro है, so E को you can make it as 6, है ना, as 6, so you can remember 6 is erythro. And 7 is last, हमारा मेगा कार्डियोब्लास्टिक है, so 7 last is mega. Okay, so this is a short trick to remember, and you can mark MCQ in a matter of 1 minute. This is only for marking MCQ. Okay, if you want to know more, you can go back and read from your books. Books are very helpful, and you have many online platforms where you can study the mechanism, disease, pathology, everything. I'm just giving you a short idea how to remember and mark MCQs. That's it. Okay, AML में coming on to the proper, ठीक है. AML में M0 का MPO, like you can remember M0, so MPO, which is myeloperoxidase, that's negative, so it's nothing, and it has poor prognosis also. ठीक है. M2 का you can remember translocation 8 and 21 है. इसको how to remember this is you can remember 2 का multiple 8 है and 2 है, तो there is also 2, and I remember 821 एज इन 8 है तो 2 के साथ ही होगा, सो 821, ठीक है. एंड बाकी तो यू कैन को रिलेट ना विद अदर थिंग्स, सो 821 यू रिमेंबर एज फॉर 2. Okay, and it's most common type of AML, and it is associated with chloroma. And what's chloroma? Chloroma is myeloblastoma, or it's granulocytic sarcoma. So there is soft tissue involvement, and इसमें eye भी होती है, and then eye में involvement is proptosis, and this is histopath finding, which is histopath or staining finding, I don't know, these are the cells which has been found, the Abrikov cell, these are found in M2. Coming on next to the M3. Okay, so AML type 3 में you can remember this is 3, which is odd number, so translocation is also odd, so it's 15 and 17. Okay, and since हमारा M3 है, M3 का हमने याद रखा था, it's pro, so pro myelo, PML gene, okay, and RARA gene alpha. And since we have P को you can make R, so you can remember P and R both together. And since we have a lot of R, तो उधर हमारा vitamin A की deficiency है. And from A, of course, we again remember we have OR rods, and OR rods, when they are in a crisscross manner, they form this faggot cells. Okay, and these OR rods are eosinophilic granules, and these granules also contain thrombin. तो thrombin की वजह से DIC होगा. So if the question mentions DIC of fibrinogen and deranged PTI and stuff, so it's M3, which is promyelocytic. Okay, and the treatment is, of course, since vitamin A कम है तो हम उसको vitamin A देंगे, so which is all trans-retinoic acid, which is ATRA with arsenic trioxide, AA, AA. So remember all A's in M3. Okay. Next is AML, M4, M5. M4 का there is translocation 16, 16. So you can remember is a table of 4 we have 16, 16. मैंने इसको ऐसे याद रखा है कि 4 के टेबल में 16 आता है. So it's 16, 16. And the thing is इसमें eosinophilia भी होता है. ठीक है. M5 is more common in infant. Okay. So M5 कैसे याद रखना है? So they are cute infants. So skin involvement is leukemia cutis, and they're cute because they grab your finger. So finger with one finger with whole of their hand. So hand got 5 fingers. M5. That's how I remember. Okay. MPO positive and NPS positive, non-specific asterisk positive. ठीक है. This is a short trick. Please don't judge me. ठीक है. AML 6 में you can remember 6 as diffuse past positive. इसमें बस एक ही चीज़ याद रखने की, diffuse past positive is M6. Coming to M7, 7 हमने पढ़ा था, that's mega karyoblastic, which is platelet. So it secretes this platelet derived growth factor, which cause myelofibrosis. अब fibrosis हो गया तो there is a dry tap. So जब हम bone marrow aspirate करेंगे तो there is dry tap. Okay. It is also associated with Down syndrome and CD41, CD61 positive. To remember this, I don't know how you remember this. Okay, so 4161 is for M7 and it is least common. Okay, this is a new update, like 2 gene mutations is added to AML with recurrent gene abnormality in addition to chromosomal aberration. These are NPM1 mutation, which is neurophosmine, and CEBPA mutation. अगर याद कर सकते हो तो याद कर लो, क्योंकि ये नई एडिशन है. इट कैन बी आस्क्ड. अगर नहीं कर सकते तो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. ठीक है. एंड नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू दिस टेबल, विच इज़ ईजी एंड आई फाउंड इट समवेयर, सो इट्स ईजी फॉर यू टू रिमेंबर. ठीक है. ट्रांसलोकेशन इज 821. जस्ट वी रिमेंबर्ड कि 2 we have here, 8 multiple of 2, so it's in AML2. Translocation 15, 17 we remembered, odd number, so 3, so it's pro वाले में, and 16 comes in table of 4, so AML4. ठीक है. एक चीज़ याद करनी है कि RUNX1 हमको याद करना है, इसमें AML2 में है. ठीक है. RUNX1 and RUNX1T1, तो ये हमको याद करना है कि AML2 में होता है. Okay, AML2 is also associated with myeloid sarcoma and chloroma, as we discussed, and it has good prognosis. Okay, 3 का हमने पढ़ लिया था कि PML and RARA mutation. Okay, and DIC भी हमने पढ़ लिया था, and it's intermediate. Okay, M4 का there is one thing कि there is fusion gene CBF beta. You can remember this as 4 words carrying 4 letters. So core binding factor beta, it's in M4, and it has eosinophils and it has good prognosis. Coming on to the diagnosis, like how you'll get to know कि AML है, तो CBC में hemoglobin कम, TSC कम, platelet कम. On peripheral staining, myeloblast is more than 20%. तो this is important है ना, इसके बारे में हम आगे बात करेंगे, लेकिन it's just a short review, so it's easy for you. Okay, so pass is on peripheral staining, blood staining is more than 20% blast cells, and stain हमने MPO पढ़ लिया था, NS पढ़ लिया था, Sudan black B भी होता है. M6 हमने पढ़ा था कि diffuse pass positive होता है. So there are markers in this, you have to remember this. 13, 33, 117. So you can remember all odd numbers in AML. ठीक है. 13, 33, 117 and MPO positive. Okay, this is just for very short review of the topic. Hope it's helpful and only for the MCQ basis. If you want to know about the all pathologies, you need to go back and study from Robbins. Okay, books are very good. They are meant कि उसे पढ़ा जाए. This is for the people जिन्होंने पढ़ लिया है, but now just MCQ mark करना उनके लिए. Okay, so I hope it's helpful, and Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.